Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume for the speaker SONY SRS XB100. Basically, you have few options how to do it. The first one is to use physical button on your speaker. So to increase the volume you should press plus button. So you just press it and increase. You can also press and hold this button, and it automatically increased volume until you remove the finger right here. To lower the volume you should press minus button. Right here. Or you can also press and hold to automatically lower the volume. And the second option is to use a physical button on your phone. So you can use a button on the top to increase the volume and button at the bottom to lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!